For simple distillation, you will need a round-bottom flask, a distillation head, a thermometer, a condenser, a vacuum adapter, and a graduated cylinder. Make sure that every piece has an O-ring. Now you can assemble your simple distillation apparatus. Make sure that you attach the condenser so it's angled downwards. Here is a closer look at a condenser. When putting the thermometer into the distillation head, we want to make sure that the blue tip of the thermometer is below the elbow of the distillation head. Now it's time to assemble the rest of the apparatus. When attaching the hoses, we want to make sure that the water will flow up the condenser. Add a couple of boiling stones into the round bottom flask to control boiling. You might need to add blocks to your setup to allow for the hot plate to reach the round bottom flask. When ready, attach the round bottom flask to the distillation head and lower the apparatus so the round bottom flask comes in contact with the heating element. Turn on the water. And turn on the hot plate. Also, it might be helpful to add some foil to the distillation head. This is a gas chromatography vial. It will be used to collect some of your unknown sample. After 1 ml was distilled, a sample of your first unknown was collected. Since the starting volume in the round bottom flask was 10 mils instead of 8, we distilled a little bit more than the lab manual had instructed. After the second unknown is collected, you can stop distillation and clean up.